subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new affordable phone in India called Redmi 9 Power. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi 9 Power features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with a large 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Redmi 9 Power features a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with MIUI 12 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.3 by 77.3 by 9.6 mm and it weighs around 198 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi 9 Power has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from December 22nd in mighty black, blazing blue, electric green, and fairy red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 9 Power smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.